करो ये करो चाबी से ये करो ऑन करो
अंदर जाओ
हाँ आ गया अरे
Did you know that EV breakdown can happen when you least expect them, even right in the middle of festive celebrations? Imagine your Diwali almost being ruined by sudden car failure. That's exactly what happened to my car when my Tata Nexon EV broke down just before the festival. But thanks to Tata's quick response, roadside assistance, and I was back on the track in no time. Join me as I share the shocking story of how my speedometer went blank in just 5 seconds after starting the car, the incredible response from Tata's team, and some essential tips for all EV owners to prevent this from happening to you. So let's get started. On Diwali night, everything was set. I was ready to drive my sister's place for the Lakshmi Puja. I got into my Tata Nexon EV, excited for the night ahead. But as soon as I pressed the ignition button, something strange happened. The speedometer light flickered briefly and then nothing. The entire electrical system shut down, leaving me stranded right in my own parking spot. While it was definitely a Diwali challenge I hadn't planned on, I'm glad it happened at home and not on the road. This is one of those moments EV owners might face, but knowing what to do next makes all the difference. So let me take you through exactly what happened after that and some tips to handle situation like this. As soon as my Nexon EV shut down, I felt a mix of surprise, frustration and bit of anxiety. I was determined to figure it out on myself first. So I quickly poked the hood to check the small battery. I made sure the positive and negative points were secure. Everything looked fine there. Then I thought maybe the main battery was drained. So I plugged in the charger, hoping that a quick boost would get the things running again. But even then, there was no response from the car. After a few attempts, it became very clear that I needed some help. I couldn't help but think how lucky I was that this happened at home, not out on the road. That would have been a whole different level of stress. Finally, I picked my phone and called Tata Nexon EV's helpline for assistance. On the field, I could not recall the number, so I searched on Google for the Tata Nexon Roadside Assistance toll-free number. Despite my incorrect spelling, Google helped correct it, providing the correct number as 1-800 209 8282.
Passenger Vehicle Helpline. Our IVR options have changed. Please listen carefully before selecting. For petrol, diesel, and CNG cars emergency breakdown, please press 1. For electric vehicle emergency breakdown, please press 2. For sales-related queries, press 3. For IRA and Z Connect support.
Welcome to RSA. Please wait while we connect your call to our next available executive.
Good evening. Welcome to
This
Tata
call
Motors
is now
Roadside
being
Assistance.
recorded.
My name is how may I assist you?
Yeah, my vehicle was parked at home. So if I go to start now, it is not getting started.
Okay, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience caused
Huh?
to you. I'll definitely assist. Sir, sorry for the inconvenience caused to you, sir. I'll definitely assist you.
Okay.
And sir, so for check your details, may I know your vehicle number, sir?
GA07.
Okay.
Then N for what is that?
Nepal?
Nepal, yeah.
Okay, sir. Sir, so may I know your vehicle breakdown?
What is that?
Sir, may I know your vehicle breakdown location? Means, are there have any landmark nearby your location, sir? Like any bus stop?
No, I require
station?
certain help because it is not getting started.
Yes, sir.
Understood? No,
sir,
I don't want
just,
you to send a vehicle and carry my vehicle over there and keep it for 4-5 days.
no, sir. I'm not talking about it.
Hmm.
I'm just asking the location where your vehicle is
Location
standing
is
right. Are there
Durga.
have any nearby location? Like
Huh?
means any nearby landmark? It's like any bus stop or any like any means any temple or any
It is a
hospital or
village.
any. And sir, are there any landmark beside your
Landmark
location?
is like it is near.
Just a second, sir. Sir, just a second. By the way, sir.
Hmm.
Hello. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
tell me.
Sir. By the way, sir. Sir. By the way, sir. Do you have a smartphone with good internet connection?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Then, sir, I'll do one thing.
Hmm.
I just means after register your complaint, you will get an SMS.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. And sir, in that SMS, you will get a link.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. Kindly open the link.
Hmm.
Okay, sir. And sir, after that, there is a option which is called get location. So kindly touch the get location option, and after that, touch submit option. Then we can easily fetch your location.
So yeah,
Means,
that is okay.
sir,
But what I have to do now?
No, sir. I'm just, sir, see, sir, because for sending the technician, we need your location or we need your address. So
Okay.
that's why I just, I just first
You
of all,
send me the
register your.
location link. Yeah.
Okay, sir. And sir, the number,
2-3.
is available with you, right, sir?
Yeah, from that number only I'm calling.
Okay, sir. And sir, may I know your total running kilometer of your vehicle? Okay, sir. Just a second, sir. Hello.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. I just sir, register your complaint. Okay, sir. And sir, you will sir receive a message. Okay, sir. And the link will be means present in your message, sir. So kindly go through the link and update your location. Means after opening the link, touch the get location. And after touching the get location, kindly touch the submit option. SUBMIT submit option. Then we can easily fetch your location. Okay, sir. And so one more thing, sir. The case ID is also available in your message. And sir, one more thing, sir. You will get a call back within 10 to 15 minutes from our concerned department, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So is there anything else that may assist you, sir?
No. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you for choosing Tata Motors Roadside Assistance.
Okay.
There are two types of roadside assistance RSA available. One provided by Tata Motors, which is free until the warranty period expires, and another through your car insurance provider if you opted for an RSA add-on in your policy. So make sure do not pay for RSA services unless directed by customer care. After 45 minutes, the RSA technician arrived at my location. He bought an extra battery with him and attempted to jump start my car.
करो ये करो चाबी से ये करो ऑन करो अंदर जाओ अंदर हाँ आ गया अरे
My car door was open and it could only be closed using the hidden key inside the Tata Smart Key. Here is it, folks. My car is back in action. All thanks to Tata Motors speedy service. Reported the issue at 8:30 p.m. and by just 9:47 p.m. my car was ready to roll. Just 1 hour and 17 minutes to go back on the road. Now that's what I call a service.
हो गया हाँ चालू ही रखो हाँ थोड़ा चालू ही रखता हूँ इसको थोड़ा घुमा के लेके आना
हाँ बाहर ना अभी निकाल के
एक 5-10 किलोमीटर
हाँ
घुमा दो, एक आधा घंटे तक थोड़ा चलेगा,
गर्म हो जाएगा तो
हाँ, थोड़ा चार्ज कर लेगा बैटरी का।
नहीं तो फिर से डाउन हो जाएगा ना। चूहों का वगैरह कुछ नहीं है ना।
नहीं नहीं, ईवी गाड़ी की बैटरी ज़्यादा ड्रेन होती है इसकी।
हाँ
5 to 10 kilometers, have a drive with your car as EV car battery gets drained fast. Technician was saying that small battery is still be used even in a parking mode. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. You will never miss an update. Drop a comment if you have the questions or any tips to share, and stay tuned for more useful content. See you in the next video.